In this video, we're diving into a step-by-step tutorial for beginners on how to use GoHighLevel. So whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or agency looking for an all-in-one platform, GoHighLevel offers a broad set of tools to help you capture leads, nurture them, and convert them into customers. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and here we break down complex tools into easy-to-follow guides. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the platform, set up your first client or sub-account, build basic marketing assets, and automate your workflows. Now, have you ever signed up for a software platform and felt instantly overwhelmed by all the buttons, tabs, and settings? It's a common feeling with powerful tools like GoHighLevel. It packs so many capabilities: funnels, email, SMS, phone calls, automation, CRM, memberships, and more, that newcomers can feel lost. But don't worry, we'll take it one section at a time, starting with the fundamentals and building up to some more advanced features. You'll be surprised just how quickly you can get up to speed and start seeing results. Getting started, account setup and overview. Creating your account. So to get things started, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with your GoHighLevel account. And when you click that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can get a 30-day free trial. So you can go ahead and try out all the features for 30 days before committing to a plan. Now, once your account is created, you'll be directed to the dashboard. So GoHighLevel organizes its platform using sub-accounts. Think of your main account as your agency or business, and each sub-account as a separate business or client profile. If you're using GoHighLevel for your own company, you'll just have one sub-account. Now, from the main dashboard, you can go ahead and click Create New Sub-Account and choose whether to create a blank account or you can use a template. Templates, also known as snapshots, pre-fill funnels, automation, and settings tailored to specific industries like real estate, dental, chiropractic, or gyms. Using a snapshot can save time. Navigating the interface. When you open a sub-account, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. The primary sections include Dashboard. This provides a quick overview of your leads, opportunities, pipeline values, and recent activity. This is where I'm at right here, so if we look on the right-hand side, we can see all these different graphs and things set up for a whole bunch of different categories. 2, Conversations. This shows a unified inbox of all communication, emails, SMS, and calls. You can reply directly from here. 3, Opportunities. This houses your CRM pipeline where you can create stages and move leads through your sales process. 4, Calendars. This lets you create booking calendars for appointments and meetings. 5, Contacts. This stores all your leads and customers. You can segment them with tags and add custom fields. 6, Marketing. This includes campaigns, workflows, and triggers, which are automation tools, along with email and SMS templates. 7, Sites. This contains funnels, websites, blogs, and membership areas. 8, Payments. This allows you to set up products, invoices, and subscriptions. So understanding these different sections helps you know where to find the tools you need. So take a few minutes here to click through each section and get familiar with the layout. Setting up your first funnel. So in the Sites section, you can go to Funnels and click Create New Funnel and then give it a name like Lead Generation Funnel. Here you can choose to build from scratch or use a pre-built template. A simple lead generation funnel usually consists of a landing page, a thank you page, and maybe a sales page or a booking page. Click Add New Step to create your landing page. Choose the page type and name it Landing. Next, click the 3 dots beside the step and choose Edit. Next, the page builder will open. You'll see a canvas with sections, rows, and columns. Drag and drop elements like headings, texts, forms, images, and buttons. Start with a headline that grabs attention, such as "Get our free guide to save time on marketing," or whatever it is that you're trying to sell. Add supporting text that explains the value. Then insert a form. In the form settings, choose the fields that you want to collect, usually just a name and an email. Configure the form to trigger a workflow when submitted. We'll cover workflows later. Then save your changes. Next, create your thank you page. Add another step and call it Thank You, and design a page that acknowledges the sign up. For example, something like "Thanks for downloading our guide. Check your email for the link." Here you can also embed a video, invite the user to book a call, or direct them to your Facebook group. Save and publish your funnel. GoHighLevel provides a URL for your funnel, which you can share in ads, posts, or emails. So to get started, it's super simple. Over here under funnels, you can go ahead and click on New Funnel. From here, you can start from blank, use Funnel AI, or choose a template. What I like about templates is that you get a really great starting point without needing to stare at a blank screen. So I kind of like this digital looking one here. This is it's called Smart Finance. We'll go ahead and preview it. And here we can see we've got this page here. So, if you're like selling some software or something like this, this would be a great option for this. So if you like the way that looks, you can go ahead and click on choose template and it'll go ahead and get it ready for you. And then from here, this is the canvas where you can go ahead and edit each page. So this is the landing page, which is where you'd start, and you can come in here and edit this to fill in your own content. And once you're happy with the way it looks, you can come to the thank you page right here, where again, you acknowledge the sign up and there's some more information here for kind of next steps. Creating a pipeline and managing leads. Now let's set up your CRM pipeline. Go to opportunities and click create pipeline. Name it based on your sales process, like lead nurture pipeline, and then add stages such as new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, and won. You can also create a lost stage for leads that don't convert. The pipeline helps you visualize where each lead stands and what action to take next. When a lead submits your form, you'll want to automatically add them to the pipeline. You do this by creating a workflow. Go to marketing and choose workflows. Click create workflow. Select the start from scratch option and add a trigger. For our funnel, choose form submitted as the trigger and select your landing page form. Next, add an action to create opportunity. Choose the pipeline and stage, new lead, and save. To keep track of individual leads, you can go to the contact section. Here you can see everyone who submits a form along with their email, phone number, tags, and custom fields. Clicking on a contact opens a detailed view where you can log notes, tasks, and appointments. You can also manually assign a lead to a different pipeline stage by dragging their card in the opportunities section. So here on the left-hand side, we can go to opportunities, and this is what a pipeline looks like. So we'll come up to the pipelines here. You can create a brand new pipeline by clicking on pipeline and add your different stages right here. Automating communication with workflows. So workflows are the backbone of GoHighLevel's automation. They let you send emails and SMS, apply tags, create tasks, and more based on triggers. We already created a simple workflow that adds leads to a pipeline. So let's expand on that to nurture leads and encourage them to book a call. Inside the same workflow, after create opportunity, you can add a send email action. Write a welcome email that includes a link to your free guide. You can use merge fields like contact.firstname, which we'll put on the screen here for you, to personalize the greeting. Next, add a delay of 1 day. After the delay, add a send SMS action. The text might say something like, "Hi, contact.firstname. Hope you're enjoying our guide. Do you have any questions about the topic of the guide? Reply and let me know." Continue building the sequence by adding more delays, emails, and texts. After 3 days, send an email inviting the lead to book a call. Include a link to your GoHighLevel calendar. You can add conditional logic such as if appointment booked, exit workflow, to stop the sequence once they schedule. If they don't book, then you can send a reminder or offer an additional piece of content. Workflows also allow internal notifications. So for example, if a lead books a call, you can notify your sales rep via SMS or email, or both. You can create tasks for team members when a lead reaches a certain pipeline stage. This ensures that no lead falls through the cracks. Now, once you've built your workflow, test it by submitting your own form. Check your email and SMS to ensure messages arrive as intended. Using calendars for appointments. GoHighLevel's calendar feature allows leads and clients to schedule appointments directly. So navigate to the calendar section and click create new calendar and choose whether you want a round robin calendar, which is great for multiple team members, or a single calendar. Name your calendar, set a description, and configure your availability. You can also set buffer times, appointment durations, and days of the week when you accept bookings. Next, decide what happens after someone books. You can have them redirected to a thank you page, add them to a workflow, or both. The calendar integrates with your Google or Outlook calendar to avoid double bookings. Once this is set up, embed the calendar on your thank you page or share its direct link. You'll receive notifications when someone books, and GoHighLevel can send automatic reminders via email or SMS to reduce no-shows. Building a membership site. If you plan to deliver courses or exclusive content, GoHighLevel's membership feature make it super easy. Just go to sites and then membership. click Create New Product and name it something like Marketing Mastery Course. Within your product, create offers and sections. Each section can contain multiple lessons with videos, text, PDFs, or links. You can drip lessons over time or unlock them all at once. Assign a price to your offer or make it free. Then connect your membership product to a funnel for seamless checkout. Once your membership site is live, you can manage members from the membership area. You can track who has access to which products, see their progress, and revoke access if needed. This is useful for coaches, course creators, and agencies that want to host training materials. Now, because the membership integrates with the CRM, you can automate emails based on member activity, like congratulating them on completing a module or upselling them to another product. Integrating payments and products. GoHighLevel allows you to collect payments through its built-in checkout forms. Before adding a product, connect your Stripe account in the payment section. Once connected, create a product and set its price, whether it's a one-time fee, a subscription, or a payment plan. You can include multiple price options for the same product. For example, a course might have a one-time payment, a 3-month plan, and a 6-month plan. Add your product to a funnel step by dragging the order form element onto a page. Configure the form to include your product and select the price option. You can also add order bumps, additional offers presented during checkout, and one-click upsells on the next page. GoHighLevel processes the payment through Stripe and updates your contact's purchase history. You can trigger workflows when someone buys a product, such as granting membership access or sending a confirmation email. Leveraging reporting and analytics. Tracking your performance is essential to improving results. GoHighLevel's reporting section provides insights into funnel performance, campaign metrics, call tracking, and more. In the funnel analytics, you'll see visitor counts, conversion rates, and value in orders. In the campaigns tab, you can monitor email open rates, click rates, and unsubscribe rates. The call reporting shows the number of calls, their duration, and outcome, whether answered, missed, or voicemail. Use these insights to identify bottlenecks. For example, if many leads drop off before booking a call, revisit your nurture sequence or the clarity of your calendar invite. Now, you can also create custom dashboards in the dashboard section. Add widgets that display key metrics relevant to your goals, like total leads generated, appointments booked, revenue from funnels, or email engagement. Custom dashboards help you see the big picture at a glance. They're especially useful for agencies that need to report results to clients. You can share these dashboards by granting clients access to their sub-account, giving them real-time visibility into their campaign performance. So GoHighLevel can seem intimidating at first, but once you break it down, it becomes an incredibly powerful tool for managing your marketing and sales. By following the step-by-step tutorial, you learned how to set up your account, build a funnel, create a pipeline, automate communication, use calendars, build a membership site, collect payments, and analyze your results. Remember that mastery comes with practice, so don't hesitate to experiment, adapt the platform to your unique business, and lean on the community and training resources available. Now, if this tutorial helped you get started with GoHighLevel, then let me know down in the comments. Share what you're building and ask questions. We're here to help each other succeed. So if you want to try GoHighLevel, we've got that link for you down in the description to get started with a free 30-day trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. This really helps support the channel and lets us keep making free GoHighLevel tutorials, walkthroughs, and deep dives. So if you use them, we thank you so much. And if this video helped you out, then make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another GoHighLevel breakdown. Here on GoHighLevel Mastery, we teach you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and grow your business using GoHighLevel the right way, whether you're brand new or leveling up your agency. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.